Hi guys, my name is Homer Isidaso, Sam TV. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss about measure of central tendency. So if you like the topic, you continue watching the video. Alright, so let's get started. Measure of central tendency. So in measure of central tendency, we're going to have the mean, the median, and the mode. Alright, so the mean, guys, is the average of the data set found by adding all the numbers in the data set and dividing it by the numbers. So in short, the sum of all the numbers divided by the numbers in the data set. Okay, so let's talk first about the mean. And in order for us to understand about the mean, I am going to give you an example for the mean. So in order to solve for the mean, you must always remember that the formula of solving the mean is the sum of all the numbers in the data set divided by the numbers. Alright, so we need to solve for the mean. First, we are going to add all these numbers. But the easy way of solving these numbers, I'm going first to combine some numbers and make it short. Because if you are going to rewrite all of this in like this manner, 27, 10, 18, so it takes time for adding this. That's why I am going to give you the easy way of solving this now set of numbers. Alright, so we need to combine first there are numbers that are easy to combine, just like this. 27 and 13 is 40, 10 and 30 is 40, and 18, 14 and 18 here is 50, and the numbers that left are 15, 23 and 19. So 23 plus 9 is 32, plus 15 is 47. So in this case, it is easy now to solve these numbers. So 7, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, plus 5 is 13, plus 4 is 17. So 177. So remember that in solving for the mean, the sum of numbers divided by the numbers in the data set. Okay, so we need to count all these numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Alright, so there are 10 numbers in the data set. So 177 over 10. So we need to solve for this. So 177 divided by 10. So first is 1, 10, 17 minus 10 is 7, bring down 7, 7, 70, 7 times 10, 70, remainder 7, so 17.7. So the value of the mean in the data set that is given is 17.7, and this is the mean, the value of the mean. Alright guys, I hope you understand this. So let's go next, or let's go next for the median. Okay guys, so next that we are going to solve is the median. So the median is the middle entry in a group of quantities. So middle entry in the group of quantities divide the quantities into two equal parts. Right? So first, we are going to understand that there is odd and even numbers. So when it is odd, so the formula that we are going to use is numbers, the numbers in the sentence, in the data set or the center plus 1 divided by 2 equal parts. But when it is even, in order to determine the center of the data set, we need to first divide the sum of all the numbers. Alright, the sum of all the numbers in the data set divided by 2. Okay, and then the next thing that we are going to do is the sum of all the numbers plus 1 divided by 2. This is the way that we are going to determine the first and the second part or the second numbers in the set, in the data set. Alright, so here guys, I have a set of numbers the same from my example in the mean, but the numbers here are even, so it is, the numbers are 10 numbers in the data set. Right? So first, we are going to rearrange all these numbers from lowest to highest. Okay, so we are going to rearrange 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 18 to 18, 23, 27, and 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. So there are 10 numbers and it is arranged already accordingly. Okay. So in order to solve for the first entry, we need to divide 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Alright guys, so the fifth, we need to look for the fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15 is the fifth entry. So the fifth entry. Next guys is 10 divided by 2 plus 1. So it is the sixth entry. Alright. So the sixth entry guys is this one, 18. So in order to solve for the median, we need to add 15 plus 18. So 15 plus 18 is equal to 33 divided by 2. So 33 divided by 2 equals 11.1. Alright? So 11.1. I mean 16.1. 33 divided by 2, 1, 13, 6, 12, remainder 1. So 0.1. Right? So the median here is equal to 16.1. So this is the easy way of finding or solving for the median. So alright, so what if guys, I am going to add numbers here. So I'm going to add 33. What will happen? So if the numbers, so we must always remember the rules that if alright guys, so now lastly we are going to solve for, or we are going to find the mode. Alright, so I have here the same data set, but the lastly we are going to find for the mode. Okay, so the mode is the most frequent value in a group of data. So we have three kinds of mode. One mode which is unimodal, two mode which is bimodal, and three modes which is polymodal. So how to determine unimodal, bimodal, and polymodal? Okay, so let's get started. In the data set that I give you, how many numbers that are repeated? Okay, so we can see 18 here is being repeated. Alright, so in this group of data set, we can see that there is one mode. Alright, so one mode. Alright guys, I hope you learned something about the measure of central tendency. So if you like, just comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and click the notification bell for update. Thank you guys, and have a good day.